In this 10-minute meditation, you will swiftly realign with the frequency of love and peace, and you will finish feeling energized and happy. Do this guided meditation anytime you just need a top up of positive energy and to return to the love that you are. When you are ready, either sit or lie in a comfortable position for you and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, fill your lungs with air, and exhale. As you inhale and exhale, feel yourself calming and letting go. Breathing in, calm. Breathing out, letting go. Breathing in, calm. Breathing out, letting go. Now, become aware of yourself as a being of energy. Feel your energy. Feel your vibration and the frequency you are vibrating at. And now, claim your power to choose the frequency you wish to vibrate at. Begin to feel the vibration of love within you. Complete, unconditional love. Allow yourself to really feel this love within your entire being. Love for yourself. Love for others. Now begin to feel the vibration of peace within you. complete peace and harmony. Allow yourself to really feel this peace within your entire being. Calm within yourself. Joy within yourself. And now feel this powerful love and peace expand throughout your entire system. And as they do, feel yourself becoming more and more energized. Increasingly filled with positive energy. You are now totally revitalized and renewed. You are love. You are joy. You are peace. This is your frequency, and so it is. Go forward about your day now with happiness in your heart, and let others be transformed and inspired by your beautiful way of being. You are amazing. You are worthy. Thank you for being you. When you are ready, become fully present and open your eyes. This is Jess, supporting you to live your best life, and I love you.